Eddie, you got an awesome little monkey there, Eddie. What's the name of the monkey?
Hashtag him on Instagram. His name is Edward the Monkey. He got 1 million views. Better than the dog, better than the cat. Coming down to Saint Kitts, you're gonna love it.
All right, buddy. Very good. Yeah. Cheers.
Welcome to Saint Kitts.
All right.
Hi, welcome to Saint Kitts.
Hey. Got a great video for you today on how to have fun outdoors. That's right, Saint Kitts Kayak and Snorkel Shore Excursion from Royal Caribbean. Definitely hit the subscribe button. Check out our Facebook page, our Instagram page. Hit that like button so we can get this video out to all the cruisers. Check out our website, howtohavefunoutdoors.com. We got all kinds of excitement for you today. Stingrays, octopuses, fish, you name it. We've got it. We're here in Saint Kitts, and this is a beautiful island and a great shore excursion. You're gonna love this one for sure. Saint Kitts is officially the St. Christopher's Island. It's the island in the West Indies. That's right. This is a pretty amazing island. It was the first Caribbean, British, and French colony way back in the 1620s. Along with the islands of Nevis, St. Kitts was a member of the British West Indies until gaining independence back in 1983. That's right. So this place is awesome. It is actually one of the most beautiful islands in the Caribbean, and today we're going to show you all around. The people are super friendly, great shops, you name it, they've got it. And the Royal Caribbean Allure of the Seas is just one magnificent ship. We did a walkthrough video on that, check it out. But you're gonna love this video today, and we go out on the water with the kayaks to search out a great snorkeling site, and you're gonna get to see that. St. Kitts is a beautiful island. It's actually located in the Caribbean, very central actually. It is southeast of Puerto Rico in DR, and it is a great spot for cruise ships to hit. So no matter what cruise line you're on, hopefully you'll find this video helpful. We boarded out of the port onto the bus, and as you can see, the Allure of the Seas there. Quick ride, not very far at all, over to the other side of the island, up and over the mountains and down to the beaches. And as you can see here, the beaches were just absolutely stunning and beautiful. Off the bus we went, and to get all our gear and kayaks, they did a great job demoing it for anybody that's new to kayaking. But overall, we had a great time, so let's sit back, listen to music, and here you go. Hey, I heard there were sharks out here.
We only lost 2 people.
2 people?
Yeah.
Time to get your life jackets on. We're going for it. You ready?
I'm always ready. I was born ready.
Let's do it. After kayaking about 600 to 800 meters, or almost a half a mile, it was pretty simple, straightforward, down the coast. We arrived at our snorkeling site, and boy was it beautiful back in this little cove. very rocky, so it was really easy to kayak throughout this little bay, which is nice. A lot of times they take you out in the water and you're, you know, in the middle of nowhere, and here you had your own little Gilligan's Island Cove to snorkel, which was really nice. And you're going to get to see that as far as the snorkeling goes, it was excellent. We saw stingray, we saw octopus, eels, fish, and quite honestly, when you got off the shore, the farther out you went, the clearer the water got. So that's one of our key tips for anyone going on this shore excursion, is definitely snorkel out as far as you can, and you're going to see a lot more for sure. But overall, we had a great time, and we're going to send you into the water with our GoPros and check out some of this Caribbean wildlife. We look forward to playing some music for you and checking it out. This had to be one of the most friendly stingrays that we've ever seen in the Caribbean. It just hung out, wasn't afraid of us. In fact, it was like a puppy. We're going to call it Max or Benji or something. But in any case, super cool stingray, and we really enjoyed watching him in action. Love to snorkel, you're definitely going to want to subscribe to this channel. Alice loves the snorkel. You've got to check out our Aruba snorkeling. We did snorkeling down in Grand Turk. We've done snorkeling in Saint Kitts and others. You're definitely going to want to check out all those videos. But I tell you what, we had a great time here, and you can see we had plenty of fish, but nothing like when we crossed over the reef. You're going to see some major fish, but we also ran into some squid, a whole school of them, and we hung out with them for a while also. It was pretty awesome. We really enjoyed snorkeling in this area. If you love snorkeling, Saint Kitts is a great place to snorkel. Some of our favorite places are the White House Bay, the South Friars Bay, where we were. The Crambola Beach Club is a real popular place. Shitten Bay is very popular. Frigate Bay, South Beach is a great place to go. Nag's Head Reef, Sandy Point Marine Park, Half Moon Bay, and Turtle Beach. Those are some of our favorites, but you definitely have plenty of places to snorkel when you go to Saint Kitts. It's a great place to visit. Got to see a little bit of everything on this snorkel trip, but one of the cool things that we witnessed is when Alice spotted the squid. That's right there. She's like, look down, check this out. These things were remarkable. When you see them in the wild, they're like supernatural, something from outer space. The way they swim, the way they school together, and the way they look is truly remarkable. Check out all of these squid that we saw. We always tell everyone on our snorkel videos to get out by the rocks and go where the cliffs are. And then this excursion was no different. Once we crossed over this little ridge of rocks, we actually went where there was a cliff to the deep side. And take a look at the school of fish. Absolutely stunning. Well, snorkeling was fantastic, but we weren't done yet. We were almost back to the shore when we encountered this little eel. And boy, oh boy, was he a frisky little guy. Take a look, because he moves quickly. Nothing scarier than an eel, for sure. Here he comes. Look out, and bam! There you go. But in any case, that wasn't it. We even got to see an octopus. That's right, an octopus right up by shore, and it was super cool. We all were blown away by seeing this right up near the shoreline, and he was super cool. Everybody was able to see him. So as you can see, we had a great time snorkeling, and it was time to jump back in those kayaks and head back home. And quite honestly, this trip is not too difficult. There is an age restriction on it, but I think it's kind of silly. If you're in great shape, this was pretty straightforward and really not that hard. In fact, it was, in our opinion, a really nice paddle out, paddle back, and there was no rush. So you never felt like you had to be the Olympic paddler. In any case, a couple of tips: bring your sunscreen, definitely bring some dry clothes. You got plenty of room in the kayak, some snacks, and maybe even your own snorkeling gear. But here you go from the shoreline.
Juice and some pineapple juice. Okay? And beers, we're gonna have those. So step forward, let me know what you're gonna have. Got the one punch here. Just step forward.
All right, thank you, sir.
No problem, man.
All right, this is good stuff right here. This is from the island?
You're drinking the soft stuff, man.
Yeah, that's the soft stuff.
Drink the one punch. Okay, guys?
All right, Alex, what do you got there for us?
We have a little taste of the island. We have guava cheese, sugar cake, and tamarind balls, okay?
Wow, you guys did a great job out there. This is a pretty cool excursion,
Awesome. We want everybody to come and enjoy themselves, okay?
huh? All right, very good. What's the name of that beach we were at?
Wait, this one right here?
Yeah.
This is Friars Bay.
Okay.
Friars Bay.
Friars Bay, there you have it. What do you think of that, Alice?
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
It's really beautiful. It's kind of like in Jurassic Park.
Right here.
All right, look at that. Blue Water Safari. Very good. You
Yeah.
guys got a website, the whole 9 yards?
Yeah, bluewatersafari.com.
All right, very good. Great excursion, man. Good
No
snorkeling,
problem. We got
good
more.
time.
We got more. So when you guys come back, we have plenty more.
All
Any
right.
speedboats, catamarans,
You got it
trip
all.
to Nevis.
All right.
Yeah, when you guys come back, we have you guys covered, okay?
All right, thanks so much.
All right, have a
Appreciate
safe
it.
one,
Take
man.
care. All right, Alice.
Well, the excursion today was phenomenal and the landscape is outstanding. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and thank you so much for watching our channel. Outdoor
Have fun.
Outdoor